Union County traffic, light support 178 Charlie Tango, turning left base, runway 25, sorry, runway 9, Union County traffic.
Union County traffic, Charlie Sevenson, crosswind, runway 9, Union County traffic.
What the hell was that? Low voltage. I'm gonna land this thing. No, we're alright. We'll stick around one more. If it does it again, we'll land. Yep, I'm landing. Union County traffic, flight design 178 Charlie Tango, making an emergency landing, runway 9, Union County.
Union County traffic, Charlie 7 left downwind, runway 9.
Union County traffic, flight design 178 Charlie Tango, emergency landing, runway 9, Union County. Come on, baby.
Traffic not available.
Union County traffic, flight design 178 Charlie Tango, clear to the active.
County traffic, Charlie 7 on the left face, runway 9.